Hey there, crafters. So this is a quick one for you. Have you ever added acrylic paint to a surface and you're not sure how you're going to seal it so that the paint doesn't get damaged? So I'm working with acrylic sheets. As you can see here, I will be putting a design on this side, which I'll show you what that looks like. However, I added some acrylic paint to one side of this acrylic sheet and I did 3 coats, so I have a nice thick finish. So when you look on the inside, it's just a nice design. Now, in order to seal this, I'm going to share with you my technique, and it might be helpful for you. You can let me know in the comments below. So I'm using Mod Podge to seal the paint, and it's this pretty simple. If you're using brushes to apply your design or your paint, it's pretty easy to seal. So you're just going to follow the same design that you did, and you're just going to add your Mod Podge. So when you do this, it will not damage the back design. I know handcrafted products, sometimes you have a great idea, but you're not entirely sure how to make it more durable. And I believe this is super helpful. I've been doing this with my designs for a while now, and I figure it would be helpful to share it with someone. So I'm hoping that it's an inspiration for somebody today. And I will also, share with you how I complete these frames. I'm going to link one of the videos that I've done before. It's similar design, but not just a full color on the back. And you can have an idea, how I achieved those look. But I'll show you step by step how to create, for example, a nice little frame for like Teacher's Day or a thank you gift. These are pretty creative, and you can add your own coats to it. All right, so this is pretty much how you achieve a seal finish on your acrylic paint if you're working with any designs like this, and you really want your acrylic paint to last a little bit longer so it's not easily scratched, or if you have to wipe it, there's not much interaction with the paint itself. All right, let me know if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my useful videos.